Big one if it's gonna, and then there's 277. Oh god, I can't see that one. L or something like that. I have to. Crap, somebody's coming. I was gonna. Well, I guess that aircraft is not gonna take off on that runway, which sucks. Because I was hoping I'd get a video of it, but I don't think she's gonna. Although air traffic could be taking a while to clear her. I don't know. All right. Well, what's the time now in Chicago? It's 11:16. Okay, well... Oh, there goes another aircraft! Here, well, come on, go zoom in, camera. I'll read the tail. I hope she comes this way. No, not that car. There's an aircraft. Oh, there it is. It's the same one. It's the acrobatic one. We looked at her yesterday. Remember her? It looks like we're gonna fly 944 LA today, guys. Whew, it's cold. Alright, there she goes. We saw her yesterday. And that'll be it. Alright, here we go. Wait! Oh. Let's read that tail number. It's a propeller-driven aircraft. You know who I am. Oh! What do we have here? Wow! Wow! Wait, let's go this way. Double takeoffs, double takeoffs. Oh, there goes that one. Actually, stop now. Waiting. What's the tail number? Oh, I can't tell. If you're one of those aircraft. Whoa, a lady's flying up? Oh, here we go. She's just moving a little bit. N68CP. N68CP. This is getting ready to go. One got engines and not started yet. To ride. she goes. There it goes. We'll be right back when this aircraft is getting ready to take off. There it goes landing. This aircraft is getting ready to take off. I saw some pilots get in. Sorry for the shakes, I'll try to keep it still. There we go. Their aircraft pilots just boarded. And I think, oh, there's the lady pilot. First time I've seen a lady. And we'll be right back when it gets ready to take off. We just missed that aircraft, the one acrobatic. And this one might be getting ready to take off soon while we're having the record on. The only reason I'm over here is because she might get loud, so. There is another aircraft. Yeah, she's not going to take off. The pilot just got out. Wow, pilot looks... There goes the acrobatic one. I won't zoom in. Try to keep the camera still. There goes that one. There goes that one. It's holding short. That aircraft is holding short. There's two aircraft right now. One of them is waiting for air traffic control. There's another aircraft down there. Just landed. And so these two are waiting for air traffic control clearance. So I apologize for the shakes, so I'll try to keep it still. Yeah. Oh, there's another aircraft landing. Just can't see it. Oh yeah, it's not landing. It looks like it just took off. Still waiting for clearance. This guy, that one plane down there is gonna go first. Then this one's gonna go second. There's another aircraft that just landed. So there's a lot of activity going on here. There goes that one. There it goes. You guys will see it now. Goes there, goes that one. And then there's another aircraft. Oh God, why is that guy? It's oh, let me read the tail. N6670Z. N6670Z. That's that one. It's moving and I can't take pictures. Oh, there goes that one. It's got clearance. That's why that one moved down there. That one's an acrobatic aircraft. Still, this one's waiting, so we can't really tape him because there's no one in there. And that one just landed. And then there's that one. There goes that one. There goes the acrobatic plane. It took off. I think. when this gets ready to take off. There goes that aircraft. He's taking off, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes. That's that one. She's up. There goes another aircraft over there. Not sure if you're seeing it. There goes that. And now this one's getting ready for takeoff. You all will get to see it. Passengers now boarding, pilots all boarding. And here we go, guys. The most fun you guys are gonna have. I'll put this over here. Try to keep your camera still. After this plane leaves, we will take a break and go inside for a little bit. I just want to get it on video. Sorry. Okay, door has shut, guys. Here we go. It's gonna get loud. Pilots in the cockpit. You'll hear an engine start up in just a minute. And this is a girl pilot, so it's gonna be interesting. Here we go, engine startup. Turn up your speakers now, guys. It's gonna reek over here. Wrap it up, I think that means. Okay, there she goes. Engines have started. Yeah, there she goes. She's gonna take off in it. Rudder test. Flaps. Now testing all flaps and rudder. Pilot stuff. They're doing their checklist right now like I did. Oh, another one took off. Okay, sorry. We're focusing on this plane. I'll get you guys the tail number as soon as she moves. I think it's a CA aircraft. we go, guys. Here we go. Turn up your speakers, guys. Here we go. Cool. Oh, yeah, it is. NA25CA. There it is. There she goes. Hold your mouth. Oh, I can't see. Okay. There she goes, NA25CA, that is that. It's a Learjet, guys. I'll zoom in. It's a Learjet, it's a really big plane. Okay. So I can't see my viewfinder, so hopefully I'm getting it in the picture. I can't really see it all. Stupid viewfinder, why are you? Alright, here we go. Make sure you guys heard that. I will higher up the volume when I go in post-production. Because post-production means editing, guys. I will make sure that you guys get that sound. Alright guys, there she goes. That was nice and loud. That woke up my ears. Okay. There she goes, guys. I don't know if we're gonna get her on takeoff, but... Apply minimal thrust! And guys, that is a girl pilot. Believe it or not, it is a girl pilot that flew that aircraft. So this is gonna be interesting. So there you have it, guys. She's gonna take off somewhere around here. She's turning up her thrust right now. There's nothing on the Luminaire side, guys, okay? But this aircraft, I'm not sure when she's gonna take off, so we're not gonna hang out here. I'm gonna go hang out back inside where I was, because I was on the phone with a friend and I had to hang up on him because I was trying to go get the planes. But I have to call him back in a little bit, but it's not a big deal. There she goes. Try to get her on film for you guys as much as I can. So there you go, guys. This was interesting. I don't want to look at that aircraft. God, I can't see. Guys, if I'm doing some horrible shots, I'm sorry. That's because I have a very poor viewfinder right now, and I think she's going to take off on Charlie runway. Because this morning... Oh, let me tell you guys how my flight lesson went. I think I should tell you guys. You know, and I'm definitely not going to cut that part out of the video, so let's go ahead and cut here and I'll tell you guys. Alright guys, instead of you staring at me, why don't you guys stare at the plane down there? So today's flight lesson went pretty well. I really did very well. I learned a lot. I had more control of the aircraft this time compared to my first time. Oh, there she goes. Hope you guys can hear that. Sorry if you guys can't hear it, and my camera won't zoom in anymore, but there she goes. She's going down there. Yeah, she's going, guys. But anyways, I hope you guys heard that thrust. And she's up, guys. She flies. There she goes up. I hit record. There's 977 LA getting ready for a flight. Hold on a second. I have my friend on the phone, so I kind of took my headphones off. But anyways, guys, there is 977 LA. There's my flight instructor. Let's watch him take off. Looks like he's doing another flight lesson, guys. This time we're going to be on the ground. And you'll all see in a minute. He probably has got more hours than me, though. Okay, I think I'm gonna... Okay, hold on. Sorry, this camera is not the best. Alright, here. Alright, and that's good. There it goes. You guys will get to see in a minute. You'll hear that aircraft power on in a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on a second. Ugh, it's tempting to hang. Oh, there they do rudder checks, ladies and gentlemen. Remember that corporate jet we saw? Okay. God, I gotta put my camera away. Hold on. Pretty soon you will hear the engine turn on. Or should I say the propeller? Sorry, I'm not looking at it. And guys, we will stay here and watch this aircraft park. I bet there's gonna be another aircraft in front of him parked. So you'll see in a minute. My camera doesn't zoom in anymore, so I give you guys personal apologies for this. But yeah, this is my flight instructor, ladies and gentlemen. We went on a flight lesson this morning with him. And so yeah, he's doing another student right now. I don't know if that's a more advanced aircraft or not. I think it's pretty much the same as what we flew. What is that noise? Now, if you guys want, I don't know, you guys, hold on, never mind. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead. That aircraft's gonna take off soon. This camera is so shaky. It's not meant for these. Okay, that was... I can't even see my viewfinder. I hope I'm taping it. Okay, let's go, propeller. Turn on so the camera can get you. And hold on, let me adjust my shot. Maybe I can see it. Yeah, I can. Hey, flight instructor. You know, say hi to my YouTube fans, flight instructor. Say hi to my YouTube fans. I've got over, what do I got, like 20 of them right now? As of right now, this is only 1 month old YouTube channel. So say hi to my fans. Hey, he's probably looking at me like, what is she taping? I'm taking pictures, I'm not taping. Do you guys think we should adjust angles and like go that way? Oh wow, did I get this aircraft? I gotta go take some Insta photos. That air traffic controller was looking at me funny earlier, by the way. I don't know if she was laughing at me or what. But they were kind of... I'm just trying to get this aircraft on takeoff. And then we will go do some more plane spotting. I'll go take some pictures of that aircraft too. I'm gonna adjust my shots. Ugh. Okay, air traffic control. What are you... Here, let me go put my stuff down. Yeah, I don't know how safe it is to put my drink down here. Yeah, you know what? I don't trust it. Sorry, guys. Here. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's cut here, guys. Got another part. That's N977LA for those of you that don't know the tail of that aircraft. Again, it will be down in graphics down below if anybody's curious. The one aircraft behind it is red and white. It's N25200. That's the aircraft. The one next to it, N944LA, which had a baggage door issue this morning. Explain that in further detail soon. And right now they're just doing standard pilot checks like what we did this morning. Oh! Hold on, let me get a better shot. Let me get a shot. Oh, there it goes. Hold on, let me see if I can go in. There it goes. Oh, hey! No, let's adjust our shots. Yeah, this is what real camera people do. They just adjust their shots. There goes the light that just turned on. And we will watch this aircraft take off. I'm not sure what runway. I don't think it's going to go on that runway. Here, let me try to hold the camera still, guys. Yep, there goes the startup. Yep, that is my flight instructor in there, guys. I don't know if Hey, I'm gonna stay here till that aircraft comes back. It's probably gonna be a 2-hour flight. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be like 6 hours. Okay, so we'll see a taxi in a little bit. I think it's waiting for air traffic control. Yeah, my flight instructor is probably looking at me right now. He's like, how long is she going to be taping me? Well, my fans like these videos, so I don't know. But yeah, guys, if you're wondering if my flight instructor is ever watching these plane spotting videos, yes, he is. But again, they're not, like, bad videos, you know, so... They're really nice. Hopefully that aircraft can move, because I'm holding my camera back like a crazy person. I had to wait that long this morning, guys. So, yeah, I might go, like, inside for a little bit and go and hop on the computer. I'm waiting for another friend to call. Crap. Yeah, I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. My friend was on the phone. Ugh, I'm gonna try to get... Ah, shoot. Sorry, guys. I don't realize. Okay, let's just do this. Alright. 1, 2, 3. This is just Instagram, okay, guys? Oh, do you guys see that other aircraft? Oh my god, those planes are going crazy over here. I've got like 2 cameras here. I know my flight instructor, I know what he's thinking, guys. He's like, Maria, you have 2 cameras out. What's wrong with you? Hey, dude, I'm not trying to tape you in any way. I'm just trying to tape your takeoff. It's not you. Okay, I just hope he doesn't like get mad at like me filming his airplane. He knows me, so it's all good. Hey, air traffic, give him clearance. Sorry. Okay, I'll behave. I gotta put my stupid pop down. This is going crazy here. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'll tell you what, we're gonna go plane spot for a little while. I'm gonna take a picture of that aircraft. I'm gonna try to get all these aircraft as soon as this one takes off, because I gotta get a few pictures. Yeah, oh there he goes, guys. I was about to cut. Oh my god, what the heck? Did you guys see that bump? Here, let me go this way. You guys can't see. My god, guys, look at that bumpy aircraft. What the heck? Okay, that student might be a little bit, got less hours than me. What the heck? He might got less hours than me, guys. I can see it, because that was really bumpy. That was cool. I could have been bump, 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 bump. That's cool. There he goes, guys, steering with his feet now. Giving it more thrust. And there he goes, guys. So here's the... Alright guys, we are currently back. I'm gonna go over here and try to take some pictures of some aircraft in the area. Hold on, can I... Oh, I can't go that way. Hold on. I was gonna say, let's go to the air traffic control tower and go... Hold on, I'll try going this way. Yeah, trying to get some... Oh, wow. Actually, here's a perfect shot of the Cessna. Right here. Yeah, because I've got the camera. Where is my flight instructor's air? Oh, there it is. What the heck? Here, you guys, I'll let you check it out. Ooh. You guys cannot see her, and I can't see her through the viewfinder. But right now, my flight instructor's waiting. The tower did say to hold short. Here's a Cessna. Very nice aircraft, isn't it? We'll take a picture of her in a minute. Yeah, I'm not sure how long he's going to be in flight for that particular lesson. Look at all these airplanes, guys. Look at this one right here. This is worth it for Instagram. I'm going to take some pictures. There he goes, guys. He's throttling. I'll zoom in. Or no, he's not moving. My instructor made me do that this morning. He's just making you test the flaps and everything, you know. Technically, I don't know if it applies with Cessnas or not, but technically you're supposed to test the flaps right before flight. You know, with a commercial jet, you know, you power on the engines, and then you test the flaps right before takeoff. I mean, see, that's what I'm saying. I know commercial jets pretty well, so. Oh, look, another aircraft just landed. I think it's the acrobatic one. Oh, there it goes, taking off. Hold short. I don't know if you guys are getting it or not. But here's that Cessna. Oh, wait. My flight instructor's still down there, guys. He's with another student. Yeah, I'll let you guys know when my flight instructor takes off. And then, of course, the instructor made him reduce power. I had to do that, too. Like, you still have power, but he made you reduce it. So I don't know if I'm taping him or not, because those Cessnas are in the way. Sorry, guys. Now, this would be a cool plane to fly. Yeah. I'll let you guys know when he takes off, I promise. I mean, I could go closer, but the Cessna... Okay, now they're moving. Oh my god, guys. So, like I said, we're going to be out here taking pictures and stuff like that. There he goes. He's going to taxi on runway Charlie, guys. Okay? That's where I'm pretty sure air traffic control directed them. Oh. That's the acrobatic aircraft, if that's what it is. Oh my god, he's already taken off. There he goes. Bye-bye, acrobatic aircraft. Ooh, that was painful. Okay. And now you guys will get to see my flight instructor's plane take off. So let's cut. Alright guys, welcome back to another part. We're still waiting on my instructor to take off. So like I said, I hope he can take off so I can take the pictures real quick. And I'm just gonna be hanging out outside for about maybe, yeah, like around 6:30 or something. I think hopefully the plane will be back so I can get on video. So give it a minute. Again, I don't think air traffic control cleared it because I still hear it. Hold short on runway Charlie. That's so cool. Well, I don't know what runway this one is. Oh wait, there's a plane still over there. He's saying runway Charlie. That's that way. That's just some kind of code that air traffic people use. There's the aircraft. Again, I really don't know if you guys are seeing it or not. Okay, now I can see the viewfinder. So, but let's just take a look at these aircraft while we wait. So this is, I think it's a Cessna. Basically all these here are Cessnas. I don't think there's, let me see if I can spot a, oh, sorry, I was gonna say I gotta find a Piper. Okay guys, listen up. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. That's them. Full thrust, throttle. Sweet. You guys probably are not getting it, I'm sorry, but they are moving fast. And they've lifted off, guys. There they go. There you go. There goes my flight instructor's aircraft. God, I can't be. There it goes, guys. It took off. So I'm going to cut here. I'm going to take some pictures for Instagram. And I will give you guys an update. Current time in Chicago is 5:20. Not sure where that aircraft is going to go or how long it's going to be in flight. But I'm going to take some pictures. And we should be right back. So that's it. Alright, guys. We are currently leaving Luminaire right now. We are going to go outside. Plane spot some more. Guys, you want to see the planes at night? I guess I can stay here. Look at this beautiful sunset, guys. It's beautiful. I love this sunset. Ooh, it's actually not even cold out here. Alright, guys, let's go. There's no aircraft right there as of right now. Give you guys a quick time update. 6:20. So we're going to go ahead and take some pictures as... Oh, God, my shoe untied. There are some aircraft in the area that might land. Oh, what aircraft is that? 911, I think? No, that's 944 LA. Why am I saying 911? That's 944 LA. Something just vibrated on my... Hold on, guys. My friend better not be calling me right now. Guys, I'm sorry. I have to check my iPhone 6S. Oh, it's just an email from my friend. Oh my god. Phone? Really? Guys, this is a good thing about the new iPhone 6S. Is that it works better than the older versions. But here's what the iPhone 6S looks like if you guys have not seen my new iPhone. So yeah. Wow, look at these planes are still out, guys. There's really no aircraft anywhere else right now. Looks like that 977's right there. And, guys, check this out. Let me get a funny video. You guys are gonna check this out. Let me see if I can read the tail to you guys. N295SD. Again, tail number N295SD. I'm gonna take an Instagram shot real quick. Take it from the iPhone. That's a nice airplane. Okay. There, I got an Instagram shot. Those doors open so interesting, like. Look at them. Okay. Sorry guys, but I can't be taping people, so I'm gonna turn around. But that's a nice airplane. I've never seen doors open like that. There was another aircraft parking. And I think that's all the aircraft. We didn't get much. I think we got like 5 or 6 different aircraft today. Oops. Don't let the iPhone 6S run like that. And 295SD is the last aircraft. I'm really sorry. I'm definitely going to cut a lot of parts out of this video. So let's go ahead and walk to the car. I'll let you guys have one last look at it. There's the aircraft. And we're going to walk to my car, and I'm going to go ahead and close off this video. There's a commercial jet flying up above. And let's get out of here, people.